If you will not study, you will not get a job. तो एनर्जी को क्या बोला? हाँ?
Not study, not job.
एनर्जी का क्या होता है? There is a rule for energy level because you are human bodies, correct? But human bodies are only made of energy. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And the energy will take its form. Whatever you speak will become a reality. Whatever you speak is going to become a reality.
Manifestation.
Yes. Whatever you speak is going to become true. So if you say if you don't study, you will not get a job. So आपने बोला don't study, so you will not get a job. So what you are supposed to say is only what you want and what you think.
Study and you get a job.
Correct. Correct. So don't speak negative at all. एक शब्द सोचना भी नहीं है नेगेटिव, ओनली पॉजिटिव. एंड सेकंड आपका भावा देखो, भाव माने तुम्हारा भाव क्या है उसके पीछे. लालच नहीं है, अपमान नहीं है, ग्रीड नहीं है. सबके पीछे आपका भाव पॉजिटिव एंड हाईएस्ट लेवल का होना चाहिए, लव का होना चाहिए. अगर आप लव की एनर्जी के साथ बोलते हो तो वो अपने आप मैनिफेस्ट हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी में होगा. यहाँ तक कि सब बच्चों की बीमारी भाग जाएगी. बीमारी भी आप खुद आपके बोलने से पैदा करते हो. बच्चों को अंधेरे का डर रहता है. देख उधर जाएगा तो भूत आएगा, देख उधर जाएगा तो तू गिर जाएगा. जरा संभाल के जाना, ऐसे नहीं बोलते देख उधर जाएगा तो गिर जाएगा. If one sentence is being spoken 5 times, it is forming an impression in the child's mind, and then it is becoming a symptom for the child of the disease. Are you getting this message? Yes or no? अंधेरे में जाएगा तो गिर जाएगा, देख उधर भूत आएगा, देख पुलिस आएगा उधर जाएगा. तो mothers don't want to take extra effort, but they are putting something which is dangerous by which the child is made to listen to them. They are actually mentally so tired and tagged out parents. So they put some words to the child's mind which will make them do everything at least effort. The parents don't want to do any mental exercise of drilling the head with the child. So they will put some statements which will put the child's mind into terror, and at that moment they will make the child at work. But they will not put positive statements of enthusiasm and love and appreciation that will appeal the child's conscience to do the job. Are you getting it? Because you are speaking those statements that will put the child's mind into terror to do the job at the given moment. The child is creating that symptom in the body, and then the disease is coming. Are you getting my message or not? Because you are not in a mood or you are too tired to be explain everything in detail. वो आपने बोल दिया उधर जाएगा तो भूत आएगा. बच्चा उधर जाएगा तो नहीं, उसको बोलने का हेडेक तो चल रहा है. You don't want to do the effort of doing everything. You know, your conscience knows what is correct, but you are lazy, or maybe you are too tired, or maybe you are not in a mood. The parents are equally at fault. Children are prasadis of God. Children are prasadis of God. They are gifts. They are pure conscious. You are putting pollution into the child's mind by your words, deeds and actions. Parents, the atmosphere at house. The child is very pure, very honest, very seedha. But you are teaching the child how to pollute its mind, how to speak pollution from the mouth. अगर ऐसा बोलेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा, बट जो है वो नहीं है बोलने का, बट ऐसा करेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. So to be is different and to appear is different, and the child actually real value is different. Are you getting the three positions? In the mind there is something else, the happening is something else, and the reality is something else. So all the three things are appearing different. The child who is standing first is not getting a very good job, so the child is committing a suicide. The child is grilled to make the child to stand first. But then the child is if the bases of the people are made strong enough The child will have the guts to be strong, to be able to withhold everything. So when the child is put into a habit of going inside every time, inside means within oneself, seeking a little attention with little prayers and those 5 values which we have instilled, then all the phobias can be curtailed. Phobias means all the insecurities can go. With fear, you have stammering, you have nervousness, you have perspiration in the palms and soles, you have urination in the night. Now, one fear has given rise to 3 things. Yes, perspiration, nervousness, urine in the night. Then for the same thing you will run everywhere. But suppose if you hug your child 3 times a day and say, I love you. Are you giving security to the child? Just plainly say with your heart, I love you. How much security you are giving to your child? And the child only wants security. What else they want? Security is the power, security is the strength. Finance is not the strength. What that appears to be strength is not the strength. It is the byproduct of your strength. Are you getting? Finance seems to be the strength or power at this moment. But is finance the power? It is zero. Your inner values, your inner strengths are the byproducts. If you have power, then only you can get money, not outside. Yes or no? So the power is inside you, it is not outside. But if you are making the base of the child strong, then the child can have a tough fight anywhere, everywhere and stand by itself. Which friends to pick up, which friends to leave. The children are having stammering due to fear, due to competition. Or which values to drop, like jealousy between the 2 children. तू अच्छा करता है, वो अच्छा नहीं करता है. तू तेरे को इतना मार्क्स क्यों आया, उसको अच्छा मार्क्स आया. तेरा ड्रेस उससे अच्छा है, इसका ड्रेस इससे अच्छा नहीं है. See the conversation which we have. अच्छा उसने बर्थडे पार्टी के अंदर इतना ये किया, तुमने ये नहीं किया, तो वो उसका अच्छा लगा, ये उसका अच्छा नहीं लगा. The talks are only these and nothing more than this. Maybe little more. Yes or no? So if you will go behind what is the bhava behind that, bhava you are understanding or not? You're not getting bhava?
Many manifestation.
Bhava is आप कौन से भाव से कर रहे हो? In with what sense? What is behind your mind? When you do an action, there is something behind your mind to do an action. Now my purpose to come in the lecture is that whatever knowledge I've gained in the last 25 years, I can serve and be of help to each and every human being I come across. So that whatever I have gained in my life can spread like fire and change the lives of people. So it is what is behind your mind when you speak and act in a certain way. You want to tell the child something, but the child is catching something else. When my son sees me, he says, he just tells me, are you angry with me? The impression that I have formed in his mind for me is only angry. Why? Because my tone is high. My tone is high. Pitch volume is high. Correct. Now, what you mean, what you are, and what the child picks up, that you have to see. So all that will only come in with awareness. So I come again to the first step. That if before getting married, the husband and wife decide to go deep inside their value system and to be totally aware and alert about all the values they have, all the gunas they have in there, positive or negative, whatever they want, they have to drop or pick up. Then the child module that they produce will be the Uttam module, not of the sanskaras of the parents, And even if the mother, father are having diabetes or sugar or asthma, everything will be dropped out. Because the parents are working on themselves first and then getting a child out of them. Because the child is the outcome of the parents and we give